YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is the weekend. We shall see what's inside this box. And all you guys got to do is click the link down below. Check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Let's see what this is. Ooh. See, now this would be a nice, well, Mother's Day is this weekend, so you might still have time to order. If you order it tonight, Hakwan store. Not sure if that's right, but we shall see. Oh baby, foldable neck fan. But this will be good for Father's Day in case they like cutting the grass. They could wear this outside doing yard work or whatever. Even for your parent or yourself. For anybody that goes outside and works, does like deliveries. 4 air vents. Low noise, quick cooling. 3 speed. Foldable. Pause button. Power button. The rear 2 air vents. The 2 front vents. So you get 2 here, 2 there. And it tells you all the specs. Nice packaging. But definitely Father's Day, you could have this in no time. We still got like a month, I think. If I remember. But if not, maybe a birthday gift or just a gift to yourself, a friend, co-worker. Ooh. Something new, something different. And that might actually help them. Got the manual. Foldable neck fan. And like I said, I have the links corrected and everything in the profile. USB cable to charge it. Man, it's not that heavy. So definitely you could wear it for a few hours, you know, doing some yard work or maybe golfing. Take this with you on the course. On the blacktop, play some basketball maybe. Some, was it pickleball? I think wiffle ball, whatever that's called, that new sport that's been going around the last few years now. This would be a nice one. Or just go on an exercise bike, treadmill. Cool off while you do your run. It's kind of twisty. So be careful, don't yank on it. But foldable, really nice. Nice color. Got the sides here. Got the power button here. Got the vents here. Got the vents there. Got the vents up here. It's pretty solid. Now, oh yeah. Okay, let's see how I put these on. I could feel it just like this. Got the lights right there. Hold on. There we go. I can definitely feel it right in here and on top by my neck. So it does really good. It fits comfy. Neck adjusts a little. Lock it in. Oh yeah, you can definitely ride a bike and stuff. So if you guys are looking for something new, definitely check these guys out. Links will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. Happy Mother's Day. Take it easy.